We know your production work deserves a standing ovation. That's why Sound Ideas created Audience Reactions, 2 CDs that overflow with more than 500 tracks of audience feedback. When you want exactly the right reply from your audience, reach for the Audience Reaction Series from Sound Ideas. It's just what you need to get everyone oohing and awing, clapping and yelling, booing and hissing, whistling and cheering, laughing and sighing.